I love all the hands-on activities in the Discovery Room.
Doing all the experiments and playing chess at outside time.
Do a lot of activities, all the exhibits, we actually go to them.
We wouldn't have done the camp without the scholarship. We would not have afforded to. When an email, like the email that came to us from the Science Museum says, you can apply for this scholarship and we'll be having this great programs comes along, a lot of people are breathing a sigh of relief and thinking, thank God. And thinking, oh my gosh, this is amazing and this is a blessing. So I would just want to say thank you, and your support is noticed.
We absolutely love coming here. That's why we're driving the distance to bring our kid all the way to Richmond from Fredericksburg. He gets a lot out of it. It helps him with the school.
Making new friends and just really being there and being a part of it.
Yeah, it's fun.
This was so different and so fun.
Programs like this don't just touch that person. It's also the people that are seeing that person, the family members that are seeing that person be involved. So, we as parents just want to say thank you very much. And we appreciate your support, and we hope that many other families can benefit from your generosity.